time with Coding Cleverly, your quality educational coding tutorials at your fingertips. So today's video I wanted to cover way before when we started OOP. Usually whenever I open up my IDE, you would see me start writing code. But today I'm going to be actually discussing a little theoretical concepts and text. Okay, so this here is a multi-line comment. So whatever I did over here, if you don't know this, I just want to tell that this is a multi-line comment and it starts by a / and asterisk and it ends in an asterisk /. So whenever I write anything inside of this, I am basically writing something just to give as a note. So these are just kind of annotations or notes that programmers use to understand code. So these are annotations or notes. And they're also referred to as comments. So this is the more common way to understand them. They're called comments. Okay, so after this, there's also one called this single line comment, and this is known as the single line comment. And the single line comment will be only on one line. So basically, the compiler won't read anything in this line, or won't read any of these lines and ignore them and read the rest of the code if there is any code present. All right, so that was just a little tip I just wanted to add.